Welcome back to Finance 101, where we help you master the fundamentals of finance. If you're tired of wondering where your money is disappearing to each month and you'd rather tell it where to go, then you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the basics of how to create a budget and stick to it. No confusing math, no guilt, just a clear plan that works. A budget is simply a plan for your money. That's it. It's not about restrictions, it's about control. It helps you spend with intention, avoid debt, and actually hit all of your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a car, paying off loans, or you just want to stop living paycheck to paycheck, it all starts with a budget. Step 1, know your income. You want to list everything you bring in monthly, your main job, side hustles, freelance gigs. If it hits your bank account, count it. Step 2, track your expenses. Look at your last 1 to 2 months of spending. Break it into categories like housing, utilities, food, transportation, etc. This helps you see where your money really goes and not just where you think it goes. Step 3, pick a budgeting method. An example would be the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% saving or debt repayment. There's also the zero-based budgeting system. Every dollar is assigned a job until your income minus expenses equals 0. And choose what works best for you. There's no one size fits all here. Creating a budget is one thing, but sticking to it is where most people struggle. So here are a few tips that really help. Be realistic. If you know you like going out once a week, if you want to take a big vacation or even save to buy a house, you need to budget for it. Use tools like apps or even a simple spreadsheet. This can help keep you on track. Review weekly. You want to check your budget at least once a week. It's quick and it's painless. You can also automate this process where possible. Set up automatic payments for bills and automatic transfers for savings. Leave room for fun as well. Budgets don't mean you can't enjoy life. Instead, they help you enjoy it guilt-free. There's also a few common mistakes to look out for. Guessing your spending is a big one. I suggest looking at the numbers and not leaving anything to memory. Make sure you adjust to life changes so you can budget effectively. Things change all the time, so should your budget when necessary. Quitting after a simple mistake like overspending on takeout one week, it's okay. Learn to adjust and move on. The key to successful budgeting is choosing a method that you can stick with realistically. Look for a plan that motivates you and works well with your current financial situation. The 50-30-20 rule is a popular option. But if that budget style feels like you're trying to squeeze into jeans from high school after Thanksgiving, you might have better luck with the 60-20-20 method. You can also try the envelope system, zero-based budgeting, or the good old pay yourself first trick. Don't be afraid to test out a few budget tracking tools to find your groove. You can start with the pen and paper method, then maybe graduate to a spreadsheet, and eventually check out a budgeting app. If you want something free and user-friendly, the NerdWallet app is a solid place to start. Trying out different budgeting methods can help you discover the one that works best for you, and that's the system that will most likely keep you on track toward your financial goals. That's it. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. It's a tool to help you be more intentional with your money and take control of your financial future. Stay tuned for more 101 breakdowns, and if there's any other topics you want us to cover, drop that in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.